Hey Kratonians, this is Anna with Krate Tactical. Are you hard on your knife? Does it not eject as smoothly as it once did? It might just need a good bath. In this video, we're going to show you 2 ways to clean your knife. Enjoy! Step 1 is to put your knife into limp mode by opening it against something solid like a piece of cardboard. In the first option for cleaning, remove your glass breaker and pocket clip using pliers with a piece of cloth between them to protect the metals from scratching, or you can remove by hand. Next, use a small amount of knife oil to lubricate and flush out any dust or debris lodged in your knife. We recommend using Krate Sauce. This is our CLP solution specifically designed to clean, lubricate, and protect your knife. Put a small drop of lubricant to the left and right side inside the knife body. Hold your knife face down over a paper towel and move the blade in and out of the body to ensure the solution is distributed well. Take your knife out of limp mode by carefully pinching the blade and pulling away from the knife until you hear it click into place. Then test your knife a few times to ensure it is working consistently. Wipe off any excess lubricant from the blade and back of the knife using a lint-free paper towel. If this corrected the problem, simply reattach your pocket clip and glass breaker and your knife is ready for use. Just like in the first option, start by putting your knife into limp mode. Next, remove the 6 top-facing screws by using your service tool which came with your knife. Please be aware that the blade will slide in and out of the knife when it's turned, so remove the screws with caution. Use the small section of the service tool to pop the knife's scale loose, then remove it. Remove the thumb switch, spring bed with spring attach, and the blade retention pin. Then, carefully slide your blade out the front of the knife's body. Do not remove the 2 gates on either side of the knife body. Use a small amount of Krate Sauce to clean the inside of your knife's body where the blade is housed. You can utilize a Q-tip or a lint-free paper towel. Just ensure that no debris or residue will be left behind by the tool that you use. Remove all visible debris from inside your knife body. To reassemble your knife, ensure the blade is facing where the Krate logo is visible at the top of the blade. Pinch the retention gate closed and carefully insert the blade into the knife body. Then replace the retention piece into the blade. Ensure the larger part of the spring bed is facing the opening of the knife and set it into the knife body, aligning the spring bed with the retention gates so the spring bed and blade can both move freely. Reattach the thumb switch with the Krate K facing up and reattach the scale so it clicks into place. Carefully pull the blade away from the body until it clicks, then test your knife a few times to ensure the problem is corrected. Once you confirm that your knife is working properly, reinsert all of the screws using the same service tool you used to remove them. Run your blade a few times to ensure the knife is operating, and you are all set to continue using your Krate Tactical knife.